What's up you guys, it's your girl Satomi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go over how I do my finger coils. It is an updated how-to video. This time last year, I ended up doing a video on finger coils, but it was more of a entertaining video, especially since my husband ended up doing a voiceover and you guys loved it. But you guys did have lots of questions for me about my hair, so in this video I plan on answering those questions for you. I want you guys to know that I have the winner picked out for the 10,000 subscribers that I hit last month. I know I'm late, but bear with me you guys. I'm gonna update you guys in the next couple of videos to let you know what's going on in my life and why I have been a little MIA. But without further ado, if you are interested in figuring out how to actually do finger coils, stay tuned. So the order that I actually place my products in, I start with my Cantu leave-in conditioning cream, and I'll go ahead and just work that in with my fingers. Then I'll go in and add the Cantu curling cream. Love that stuff. And then I'll go ahead and just brush those products through my hair. I don't use the Eco Styler on my hair, you guys, not yet at least. So you guys definitely want to start on clean hair, and you do want to make sure that your hair stays pretty damp while you're doing this style. So I always have my my water bottle next to me just to kind of refresh my hair while I'm doing my finger coils. So just to go in step by step for you guys, I'll go in with warm water and spritz my hair. I will go in then with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'll just work that in with my fingers. Then I'll go in with my Cantu Curl Activator Cream. Once I have both of those products in my hair, I will go in and brush those products through my hair. And then you guys are going to want to split your hair into sections and twirl that section around your finger until it's a spiral, and you pretty much just want to repeat this per section. And so really what you guys are going to want to keep in mind is the sections are going to depend on how big or small you want your finger coils. So the smaller the section, the smaller the coils. With smaller coils, I want you guys to know that it does last longer, but you will need to really set some time aside when you're ready to actually take out your finger coils, because there's a lot more tangles when you're ready to take out those finger coils. So just make sure that if you do choose to do smaller finger coils, that you use some kind of oil and or conditioner when you're actually detangling your hair. Now for the bigger coils, if you guys choose to do bigger coils, those don't last as long, but they don't take as much time to do, and you're not using as much arm muscle in the end because you're finishing your hair much quicker than this takes here. And so you guys always ask me if the white stuff disappears in my hair, and it does disappear. My hair takes almost a full day to dry, but by the time that my hair is completely dry, all of the white stuff is completely gone. Now, if you guys actually want the white stuff to disappear right away, all you need to do is just grab a towel or a t-shirt, just make sure it's wet, and then squeeze your finger coils. So that will help them dry quicker. You'll get excess product out of your hair. And then as well, obviously, you'll go ahead and remove the white stuff from your hair too. And so that's another way you guys can go about it, or you can just be lazy like me and just let your hair dry as is, which is why my hair takes almost a full day, because I don't do anything to help make it dry. I just let it dry on its own. So I'm just doing the same exact thing, just twisting it around my fingers, and I'm just doing one on each hand so that I can speed up doing this hairstyle because it takes forever. Prepare yourself. Get all your products, throw on some music, and just get ready to know that it can take a couple of hours. But you'll be happy in the end because it lasts a pretty long time. I will have my hair just like this for about a full week. After a week, I will gently separate my coils. Nighttime maintenance. All I do is wrap my hair in a silk or satin scarf, and then in the morning time I will of course take my scarf off. I'll shake my coils so that they kind of wake up. I'll even spray some warm water on them, and then I will go in with a couple of drops of oil, which I am using my argan oil. I absolutely love that oil, by the way. And then I'll just squeeze on my finger coils. So maintenance is actually pretty easy and simple. Really, you're not doing much to your hair, and so it really makes it a good protective style, a cute summer style, low maintenance. And so as you guys noticed, the only time I whipped out the Eco Styler gel was when I did my edges. So you definitely gotta lay those edges down, girls. So before I actually end this video, I want to let you guys know the winner to my 10,000 SUBBIE giveaway is... So congratulations. Please make sure that you email me. I'll place my email down below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that it was informative and you learned something from it. Subscribe if you're not a SUBBIE already. Share this video if you did learn something, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.